raising public awareness for clinical trials remains a key challenge. In your view, what truly needed to shift public perception engagement in Germany? Should this be a primary driven and financed by sponsors, or is the government responsible to lead national awareness efforts?
Yeah,
So who starts?
Yeah, I mean, it's multi-layered approach, I would think, would work best in my understanding. I mean, clearly what we are lacking is one registry of clinical studies, which I mean has an easy access for patients, for caregivers, for physicians looking for a treatment for their a patient who wants to participate or who should participate in a clinical study. So public registry would be great. Yeah. So far, I mean, it's very fragmented. Many of the sponsor companies do have their databases, clinicaltrials.gov, but then this is in English language, and so this is one thing. Clearly also, I mean, Bundeszentrale für gesundheitliche Aufklärung. I mean, why not? Clinical study is always a treatment option in the majority of cases, especially the oncology studies that Michael mentioned earlier. And why isn't that realized, and why isn't that shared more broadly? So I would also see some kind of responsibility by the government and federal institutions here. But Michael, please, you may have others to add here.
So with awareness, COVID always comes up to my mind, because I really hope that with COVID in the Tagesschau and everywhere, that everyone would now know what you need to register new treatments, and that the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, everyone talked about this during Corona. We all hope that the numbers go up, and they didn't. So we briefly saw it going up in our phase 1 unit, but in the regular treatment trials, phase 2 and phase 3, there was not a big impact after. So there was a Corona impact, of course, but I didn't see that the awareness of clinical trials as a treatment option, but also just being part of the science, being part of bringing new treatments to the market, really established here in Germany. That's a global problem, without doubt. Looking at politicians, no, we should do it all together. I mean, it's us as the companies, it's the physicians with their patients, also governments, also patient organizations. So if we really could do something together, would be great. And for me, this Burda thing with colorectal cancer thing is a great example. I mean, yes, this came from press. They had money and they had a good reason, with their own son suffering and dying from colorectal cancer. But something like this, it is possible to raise awareness. Number of colorectoscopies went up tremendously. Now it's even part of the regular from 40 or 50 on. It's for free for all people here in Germany. So it is possible. We just need to push it more together. If one company does it alone, it doesn't work.
Yeah, and I just want to add that unfortunately we in Germany have a quite critical look on pharmaceutical industry, which is different in other countries like Denmark, like Belgium. And I think that's why Susanne is totally right. We need some kind of a broader campaign coming also from the German government in the end to address elements in regard to improving the basic will to join clinical trials.
Yeah.